Well, plenty of folks out there, it's a new year means trying to stick to a new budget. Kansas City Mama Kelly Snyder is back with us to talk about ways to get your budget back in line. Welcome back to the show.
Hello.
Okay, where do we start?
You know, I always tell people that I always have like a 4-step plan when I look at the budget. And this is something that's personally helped me, but as I teach classes, I always tell people about. And the first thing is just to take a look and make goals for what you want to do, because budget's kind of a nasty word. And if we don't have goals for what we want to do with our money, then why do a budget at all? So, and everybody's goal is going to be different. It may be getting out of debt, it may be paying for your kids' education, it may be saving up for a new house. So know what your goals are.
Do you sit down with your family and write them down?
Yes, absolutely. And put them somewhere where everybody can see them. Because again, it's a lot easier to have conversations with your kids about why you're trying to do things or why they can't go do stuff when you say, well, we're saving to go to Disney World.
That's a good idea. Have that, you know, great little reward at the end for sticking with your budget.
Yes, yes, exactly. Okay, and then the second tip that I always tell people is the next step you want to do is you want to go ahead and track your spending. And one of the easiest ways to do that right now is a thing called Neat Receipts. And what it is a scanner that allows you to go ahead and scan your receipt, and it has technology that will go ahead and take the information and put it in categorically for you. So you don't have to go like systematically and say, well, I spent this much at Starbucks, or I spent this much at a shopping center, or I spent this much out to eat. Neat Receipts is going to do it for you.
And it really, I'm sure, opens your eyes to your spending. Like, oh, I spent that much, like you said, on coffee this month, or at whatever restaurant, or on
Nordstrom's.
Yeah, or Nordstrom's.
Exactly.
So it helps you also identify maybe your problem areas along with keeping you on track.
Right, and it gets rid of the back and forth between spouses sometimes too, of like, well, you did this and you did this. I mean, it's very systematic, and then it's also informational when it is looked at that way.
Yeah, you can't point blame to your spouse.
No,
you have to be in it together.
Absolutely.
Okay, you have some great books, and that's another way to stay on track, is to get advice from the people that know this stuff.
Right. The next thing you want to do is make a budget, and I always say there's a lot of different resources out there for what budgets you want to make. Our family personally loves Dave Ramsey because it's just very easy to understand, and it's very common sense. And he also has it for adults as well as for kids, because I do think it's important to have your kids involved with the budget as well as yourself. But there's many other resources out there. In the end, you're going to have to want to make a budget that's going to work for your family, and go ahead and do some research and see which is the best budget for that.
Okay, and then what else do you have? I see. What is this called?
This is the kids version.
The kids version.
So there's for the adults, Dave Ramsey has it for the adults as well as for the kids. And the kids is just a great way to help them learn how to save, learn them to help give money to charity. It's just a great way overall. And then finally, what you want to do after you do all of your budgets is you want to find other ways to save. And that can be from anything from ditching your cable to go ahead and having your insurance bid out, or to learning how to save money on your groceries.
Like using coupons.
Like using coupons.
And so you need to visit your website and your blog.
Exactly. Go to kansascitymamas.com. We have a lot of great information, and then I'm also teaching a class at the end of the month that will talk about how you can save 50% off your grocery budget, and that information is on the site as well. Oh, it's right there too.
There you go. Okay, so it's Wednesday, January 30th, 7 p.m. at Shawnee Civic Center, $12 per person. We'll have information at kclive.tv, so you can come visit Kelly, and you always have great advice, practical advice that we can apply to our family, so we appreciate you coming by.
Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it too.
Okay. Thank you.